By following these 3 simple steps, you can attract and enjoy birds in your own home at no or little cost. All birds need water. They will be excited to visit your home to get a drink, or even bathe before your eye. Here is how you can do it. Step 1. Find a container. This can be a small plastic bowl like this, or a paint tray like this. You can purchase one if you don't have it available at home, and it should not cost you more than a few dollars. Step 2. Place the container on a platform, a table, a balcony floor, or near the window where birds may have access. Add water to the container. Step 3. Sit back and enjoy. Do you know what bird is this? Please share if you are successful in attracting the birds in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe to the Aviation Bird channel.